Hello there, my name is Jose Bracho Garcia. I am the founder of Apollo Build and Break, and today I will be showing you one of my portfolio projects, which is Apollo Tech School, an e-learning platform for the IT world. So let's get started. Firstly, we're going to initialize the backend, and in the backend, uh, we have, of course, how we connect to the database, and also how we allow the front end to interact with it. Then we go to the front end, which is what the user is going to see. So right now, just allow me one moment to also initialize it. Now, the backend was built using Node, Express, and SQLize, which is a special tool that allows us to use JavaScript code to interact with the MySQL database. That way, we do not have to manually use SQL code. And here we go. We see all these information that was loaded from the database. We can choose the details of one course. And here we see the modules of the course, the skills to learn, and the requirements. So let's go back and let's choose another one. This one is about pandas and matplotlib, which is very helpful. So now we go to the About page, and here we see it. Now, this, of course, is also a responsive website. So this is how it would look on tablets, and this is how it would look on mobile devices. So now we go, and here we are in the membership plans. So perfect. So now let's join, let's say, to the 3-month membership plan, and we'll need to log in. So allow me one moment to log in with the account that I have created before, which is this one. And let's log in, and here we see. So here we see my name and also the profile picture and the membership plan that I have enrolled in before. So here I can change my name. So yeah, I will not show my last surname. So sorry, mom. So not important for this video. So now here I'm going to show my middle name, and the name has changed. Now this is thanks to React context that allows us to see and update information in one React component and then show it in a different one. We're going to see the same thing. So let's see one day I become a gorilla. And here we see that it changed here on the nav bar, and that it also changed here on the sidebar. So we can hide the sidebar like so. And let's also change the membership. So let's say I unenroll because I don't like it. I go back, and the profile settings are going to show that as well. Okay, so now let's log out. Let's create a new account as well. So this is going to be for The Undertaker, for those of you who like the WWE. Okay, but this one has to be a real email. So this one has not been registered. And let's choose the password. Like so, we register the Undertaker, and here it is. Now, this is not a proper image, a profile picture for the Undertaker, so we're going to change it. Now, this one looks better. It imposes authority, so that's the one. And let's say that he wants to become a developer in 6 months because he's tired of fighting, and he wants to prove that he's not only muscles, but that he's also got brains. So yeah, he enrolled in Apollo Tech School. All right, so now we're going to log out, and yeah, that's it so far. Now, the next feature that I'm going to be working on is the one to recover passwords, because that's something that happens a lot. We create an account and then we forget the password, and then hey, what happens? So the way it's gonna work, the user is gonna enter his email, and if that email is registered, he's going to be receiving a special link where he can reset the password in the next 15 minutes. Now, this is indeed very important to check that it's indeed the real user who's going to reset the password, because we need to add security measures to avoid cyber attacks. All right, so far, this is the end of the video. So thank you indeed very much for watching it. I wish you a wonderful rest of your day and see you soon. Take care.